Welcome to Tongue Garden Channel. Today, I will share with you how to grow papaya plants in pots from seeds. If you love growing plants and want to have fruitful papaya pots right at home, don't miss this video. There is road construction near my house. I took advantage of this opportunity to get clean clods of soil. I need to dry it before using it to grow plants. After 10 days, the soil was dry. Now I will crush the soil to prepare for planting. This pot measures 60 centimeters in height and 60 centimeters in width. It is very important to create a drainage system before adding soil to the pot. Helps plant roots avoid waterlogging and grow healthily. To improve drainage, I line the bottom of the pot with cinders. At this time, I will proceed to pour the small soil into the pot to prepare for planting. This papaya tree is grown in a pot measuring 80 centimeters in height and 80 centimeters in width, compliant with standards for growing papaya in pots. Because the current pot is only 60 centimeters high and 60 centimeters wide, not yet qualified, so I will add a 30 centimeters high foam box on top to ensure the right size. Currently, the pot has reached a height of 90 cm. I will fill the styrofoam box with soil first, then proceed with planting. I will sow papaya seeds directly into the pot. Note, papaya seeds need to be soaked in warm water at 40 degrees Celsius for about 10 hours. I will water the pot surface every 3 days to keep it moist. I will collect the roots of the water hyacinth plant. Then cover the pot surface when the plant grows to retain moisture and protect the soil. To ensure safety for soil and plants, I will dry the water hyacinth roots thoroughly before using. Helps prevent fungus and harmful bacteria. After 20 days, my papaya tree sprouted and grew. Now, I will use dried hyacinth roots to cover the surface of the pot. Helps protect plants and keep soil moist. My papaya tree is 60 days old. This is the time when I need to add nitrogen fertilizer to promote strong growth and improve resistance to pests. I mixed 50 grams of NPK nitrogen fertilizer with 5 liters of water to water the plants. Helps plants absorb nutrients better. I will water the plants with 0.5 liters of water mixed with fertilizer, and repeat after 3 days. See you again when the trees start to flower and bear fruit.